Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. I am Johnson. Today I will share how to grow lemon tree from cuttings in easy and simple way. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So these are the healthy lemon branch cutting I have here. So I'm gonna make it part, make it shorter. So you can cut it in any size you want. It is going to grow well. So after making a sorter, now we need to remove some extra leaves and extra branches from all the cuttings. I'll do the same. I'll remove all the leaves and all the extra branches, and in the bottom I'm going to cut it in 45-degree angle like this. It will take 40 to 45 days to grow well and establish the roots because I'm not using any root hormone here. So friends, all the cuttings are ready now. So next is very important is the soil mix what we are using. So I'm using here normal garden soil mixed with little bit of vermicompost. Do not give more fertilizer. If you give more fertilizer, the cuttings may not get successful. So I'm giving a little bit of fertilizer here. So after planting this, I'll place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light area. Do not bring to the direct sunlight. If you bring to the direct sunlight before establishing the roots or grow well, so the cuttings may not get successful. So now about watering, give 3 to 4 times a week of water. Do not let the soil dry. So it will take like 40 to 45 days to establish the roots. So I'll check this after 45 days. Hello everyone, this is day 45. Just you can see here the new leaves has already started coming out and the cuttings are still healthy. Just check here. So I'm going to take out from the pot and I'll show you the proof with the roots of the cuttings I did. So I think all the roots has already established here. So just I'll check here. So just you can see the roots here. Friends, just check the roots here. It is only 45 days old and it has already established the roots and come out new leaves. So we can transplant this to the different pot now. So if you want to grow lemon tree cuttings in your home, you can use this process. You will get 100% successful. So friends, all the cuttings I did is successful now. So this is how I grow lemon tree from cuttings. So if you like my video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then friends, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.